Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're diving into a visual guide covering 9 incredible easy care houseplants. And you know what the best part is? They all share one absolutely amazing trait. They are practically impossible to kill and they grow like crazy. If you're looking to create a lush, gorgeous interior without all that high-maintenance hassle, well, you are in exactly the right place. Let's jump right in and see how their unique shapes and colors can totally transform your space. Here's our quick agenda for today. We'll start with plants that grow like crazy, then look at the classic green sprawlers, check out some bold and colorful foliage, explore sturdy, upright structural plants, and wrap up with choosing your first plant. All right, Section 1, plants that grow like crazy. Take a look at this catalog of 9 seriously vigorous growers. But don't just look at the greenery, notice those crucial data points we're highlighting. These plants aren't just fast growers, they are highly adaptable to anything from low to bright light. And yes, there are even pet-friendly options in the mix. This is really all about getting maximum greenery with the absolute minimum effort. This table maps out our entire cast of characters. We've got everything from classic trailing vines like the Pothos and spider plant, to the vibrant Coleus and purple heart, all the way down to architectural staples like the ZZ plant and snake plant. It's quite the lineup. Moving right along to Section 2, the classic green sprawlers. For this group, we're going to zero in on 2 specific plants that share a really dramatic, cascading growth habit. Check out the Pothos and the spider plant. The Pothos features these gorgeous, soft, trailing, heart-shaped vines, and right next to it, the spider plant just explodes outward with those long, arching, prominently striped leaves. You see, both of these plants absolutely excel at taking up horizontal space. They flat out refuse to be contained by those pristine white pots. Instead, they reach out and spill downwards. It creates this incredibly lush, overflowing, and relaxed aesthetic. They are literally perfect for placing on a high shelf or hemming in a basket, where gravity basically does all the design work for you. Now for Section 3, bold and colorful foliage. Next up, we have the plants that prove indoor greenery doesn't actually have to be, well, green. If you scan the middle and bottom rows here, you'll see the Coleus, the wandering Jew, which, by the way, is also widely known by its modern botanical name, Tradescantia, and the purple heart. They instantly inject these striking reds, silvers, and deep purples into any room. Seriously, if your home has a minimalist or neutral color palette, these are your instant accent pieces. Look at how totally differently these two use color. The Coleus is pure drama, right? You've got these velvet red centers bordered by a jagged, vivid neon green edge. The purple heart, on the other hand, relies on pure, bold impact. It's a completely solid wash of deep violet over sleek, elongated leaves. It's a totally different, yet equally striking, styling option. Let's head into Section 4, sturdy, upright, structural plants. Our final group brings together plants that act as sturdy, upright pillars in your indoor jungle. We're talking about the mint, ZZ plant, aloe vera, and the snake plant. These plants offer some seriously stark architectural lines. Just look at the ZZ plant. It features these rigid, thick, dark green stalks with waxy leaves, which makes it an incredible floor plant for a dim corner. Now contrast that central rigidity with the tight, bushy dome of the mint, which is absolutely perfect for popping onto a sunny kitchen counter. Here is the ultimate visual contrast for you. Think about the soft downward spill of the Pothos we saw earlier versus the bold, aggressive upward thrust of the aloe vera and snake plant. But you know what? No matter which direction they grow, their easy care, unstoppable nature remains exactly the same. And finally, Section 5, choosing your first plant. So we've decoded this entire visual catalog, from cascading vines to dramatic purples and sharp architectural spikes. The sheer variety across these 9 plants is just incredible. And that's especially true when you remember they all share that exact same low-maintenance, unstoppable growth habit. You now have the visual literacy to match these dynamic growers to your own specific space. So what do you need? A relaxed cascade? A vibrant pop of color, or maybe a bold architectural statement? The only question left is, which of these 9 unstoppable plants will you trust to transform your home? And more importantly, are you ready to keep up with just how fast they're going to grow?